Hi everyone, welcome to SRE Chronicles. In today's video, we will learn how to use cd command in Linux, change directory command. Cd command is used to change the current working directory in the terminal. To change to a specific directory, you should use cd and directory name, dir name. This is syntax. For example, we are now locating in home Grigor directory. Let's see what directories we have in the inside current directory. Directories you can indicate by blue letters, by blue color. Let's go to download, for example, cd downloads. Cd command supports several useful options for navigating directories. For example, cd ... move up one directory level. pvd. We are now again in home Grigor directory. Let's go again to downloads, cd ... cd minus. Switch to the previous directory. Our previous directory where we located in downloads directory. cd minus pvd. We see now we are locating in home Grigor downloads. For example, let's go to cd etc and let's see what we have here. For example, we have HP directory inside etc, cd etc hp, cd minus pvd. We are locating in the etc hp, cd minus. Let's clear the screen. Cd minus cd tilde, change to home directory. pvd. Now we are in home directory. For example, cd etc hp pvd cd tilde. From everywhere you can go to your home directory just using this command, cd tilde. Cd, this command, change to the root directory. Now we are locating in the root directory, ls, and we see what we have inside our root directory. cd command itself doesn't support combining options, but you can use it in conjunction with other commands to enhance navigation efficiency. For example, using cd with ls can quickly show you the content of directory you navigate. For example, let's cd etc hp and use conjunction and ls, and we see what we have inside our etc hp directory. For example, cd root and ls. Now we are locating in root directory and we see what we have inside root directory. So that's all for this lesson. Thank you. Don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.